lived. I wonder what it's like to be a sandwich. What's in here? Cheese. Whatever the fuck this is. There's milk. I see it. Oh. This is delicious. Dad! I'm gonna eat your sandwich! Hell yeah, I'm eating your sandwich. Bazinga! Hey kids, the letter of the day is N, and the word starting with N ends in G-G-E-R, with one letter missing in between. And here's a hint, someone that annoys you. So what starts with N, has a missing letter, and then ends in G-G-E-R, and someone that annoys you. Can you guess what the word is? If you were super smart, you would guess what the word is. The word is nagger. I can't imagine what the rest of you were thinking. Where's the sandwich? What'd you do with it? Why is the sandwich in the washing machine? Hello and welcome to the very first episode of Looking in the Microwave and various other things in the kitchen. I'm a guy, so I don't know how to use the kitchen very well. So that's why we're gonna look in the microwave today. Beep. Usually there's a button that opens the microwave. Note. For those who get hungry and can't be bothered making food, sometimes there's some pretty tasty cheese in here. Like tasty cheese. Or nacho cheese. So today, I'm gonna pick the cheese all the way at the back that no one can get. Yeah, I will. Okay. I think I got it. Now I got it. Yes. I'm stuck. No, don't get stuck in this. It's very painful. Ow! And that concludes today's episode of Looking in the Microwave and various other objects in the kitchen. Thank you for watching. Could someone help me, please? I need help! Who's that Pokemon? It's Fonzie! You'll never believe whose house this belongs to. See you later, everybody. Don't try any of the stuff I do at home. Trust me, you might start a fire. I can see